Have you ever had the knowledge and skills to teach others, but no clue how to actually turn it into an online course without getting bogged down in all the tech stuff? CourseBox is the AI tool that takes care of all that for you, so you can focus completely on your content. So here we are inside CourseBox, and this is an AI-powered course builder that's made to handle the technical side of creating an online course, so you can spend more time focusing on your expertise and your craft. Today, I'm going to build a course from scratch. I'm going to test out some of its AI features and show you the one feature that really stood out to me. Now, the first thing we'll see is the simple AI chat interface. Instead of starting with a blank page, you just describe the course you want to create. For this example, I'm going to create a course on building better sleep habits. And what's great is you can also pick the language for the course right from the start, and you can upload your own documents as well. So we hit go, and after a few seconds, the AI generates the whole course structure. Here we can see the full outline. Instead of giving you one massive document, it sorts everything into modules, lessons, and topics that you can review and edit straight away. Honestly, it's much more like having an instructional designer helping you out than just using AI to write something for you. And if you're looking to reach an international audience, CourseBox also lets you make your course multilingual and use an automatic Google Translate once it's created. That can save you heaps of time compared to manually recreating the whole course in different languages. Now, if we want to make changes to this course layout, all we have to do is type whatever we need into the prompt box. So here we've said much less course and much fewer quizzes in this outline, and let's see what it comes back with. And straight away, it's going to redraft the course for us. Once we're happy, we just hit Generate Course. And after a short wait, we can see it's created the whole course for us, and the formatting looks brilliant. We can go through the first few modules here where everything lines up and all the information looks pretty good. Now, we can jump in and edit any of this at any time, but I'm pretty happy with most of it so far. If we want to, say, add another block, all we need to do is click the Add Block button and we've got all the options there. We can also upload any of our own content here as well. So maybe you've recorded YouTube videos or have presentations, or maybe you've written guides or PDFs. Instead of having to rebuild everything from scratch, you can just upload your existing videos and documents straight into the modules. The platform then helps organize that content into the course structure you've already set up. So here we've got a 7-day sleep tracker PDF. Let's upload that, and that'll just be automatically added to the course. So anyone who gets the course can download that straight away. Another feature I thought was interesting is the AI avatars. Instead of filming every lesson yourself, you can generate an AI presenter to deliver part of the course. For creators producing training at scale, this could really cut down your recording time while keeping lessons consistent. We pick our avatar, get our script sorted, then choose our voices, and we can add text and logos too. There are also templates for the background, which could suit our different audiences. I like this one, so let's go with that. You can see that's been updated on the AI video preview, and then it'll start generating the video for us based on the settings we've chosen. Now our course is up and running, and we've got our AI avatar presenting why sleep matters.
Sleep is more than just having a rest. It's when your brain and body recharge, which affects how you feel and perform the next day. If you don't get enough sleep or if it's disrupted.
So now we've got our AI avatar speaking based on the settings we've chosen. Let's add another block here. As you can see, there are heaps of options we can pick from, whether that's grid cards, carousels, or even surveys. Now let's open up the text editor. Here we can put in any of our own content, so it's not just AI generating it. If we've got content somewhere else that we want to bring in, we can do that really easy. And if we're worried about formatting, we've also got the AI editor to give us a hand. Now let's add a scenario. We can choose whether or not to use the course content, and then we can also describe exactly what we want for the scenario. So here we've said, create a role play where the learner acts as a wellness coach, helping a client who struggles to fall asleep because of stress, too much screen time, and inconsistent bedtime habits. The AI should respond naturally, ask realistic questions, and adapt its responses based on the learner's advice. Let's generate the scenario. So here you can see we're going back and forth with this scenario AI, and it's given us really consistent and helpful results. Next, let's turn on the AI tutor. Instead of having to sift through heaps of lessons, students can just ask a question. The AI will reply straight away using the course content and its own knowledge base. So instead of getting generic answers from the internet, the responses stay focused on what you're actually teaching. For creators, that's a massive advantage because it means students can get help even when you're not online. And for students, it makes learning a lot more interactive. Personally, I reckon this is one of the best features on the platform because learning hardly ever happens in a perfectly straight line. People ask questions, and now the course can answer them straight away. Now, when it comes to customization, once you've built the course, you still have full control over how everything looks. The editor's really easy to use. You can quickly update text, rearrange lessons, tweak layouts, and add your own branding. Here you can see we're tweaking the primary and heading colors, as well as the primary body text and link colors. And just like that, we can change the colors, logos, and other visual bits, and it only takes a few clicks. So the finished course feels like your own, not just some generic template. Now, when it comes to payments, this is dead easy to set up. We can put things behind paywalls or make the whole course open to everyone. We can also manually add different people with access. Once we're happy, we've got all the sharing and downloading options as well. And on top of that, they've got their own certification systems here that you can actually link to the course. So when someone finishes the course, they'll actually get their own certificate. This is a great way to keep your students engaged. And of course, it's a nice reward either between modules or at the end of the course. So that's CourseBox. Definitely something you should check out if you're a creator or if you work in education. It's also handy for team learning experiences. So if you've got HR departments that need to train employees, this is a great option too. If you want to make your course creation process smoother, give CourseBox a go for free. There's a link in the description if you want to give building your first course a try today. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next video.